What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Snapchat lag issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the lag issue in Snapchat app will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the Snapchat app and then tap on this information icon. Now go to the storage of app and from here clear the user data and cache memory. So after clearing user data and cache memory, the Snapchat will start working properly. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for the phone's software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone. Now tap on the software version. And from here, it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version. And after updating the phone, the app's lagging issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Snapchat lag issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.